Your perfect gifting solution is here. So today I am at Raj Dry Fruit, and of course, as the name suggests, you will get a lot of dry fruits and for the best quality, best price as well. So they have hampers just starting from 300, and किस चीजों के लिए you get for festivities, for wedding, for basically any occasion, and even for corporates gifting. So yes, swipe left to check out the entire collection, and this is a store so you can visit anytime.
So this you see is our hamper section. Let's just start with different segments. Let's start because Diwali is approaching. Let's start with the box hampers which corporates usually prefer. This is our starting hamper. This is for 300. Good quality dry fruit use, 4 dry fruits. Then with this we also have got premium packaging. So this is a 2-jar hamper. We have got hampers that has 4 jars in it. The bottles we make sure are reusable and are really beautiful. So something like this which usually corporates prefer. Then we have got this eco-friendly hampers. These are made of jute. You can always reuse it. As of now, this has dry fruits. Later, once somebody consumes it, they can use it for some other purpose as well. Yes. We have got these vibrant color hampers. So something like this with beautiful jars. You can always customize. As of now, this has dry fruits. We can always put chocolates, seeds, all of this. We have got this box. This section, this is a 1 kg dry fruit. This has got 4 dry fruits for 250 each. This entire section has 1 kg dry fruit. So usually most of the corporates, they prefer gifting 1 kg. So we have lots of options in this. These are our glass jar hampers. It has got complete packaging. We also have something with delicate packaging. If you want to gift it to your family members, they would love packaging like this. Then we have got smaller hampers, the compact ones. Very economic in range. Then we have got these traditional hampers. You're going to love the packaging with beautiful jars.
Okay.
Then we have this really premium fancy hampers. Very huge hampers. All of these are as of now made according to what we think goes really well. You can always customize it. Then we have hampers like these. Hi, so I'm going to show you how we actually curate a hamper. So we start with putting dry fruits. In gifting, we usually try putting flavored dry fruits so that you gift it to people and they're going to love it. It's something different from the usual dry fruits. So we put dry fruits. We put something like this which is a healthy mixture so that the elderly people in your house also love it. We put chocolates. We make sure, and again green tea, something that would,
Wash it down.
Yes. We would put a net packaging on it so that it's really beautiful with beautiful flowers so that it's complete, looks beautiful.
See, in dry fruits, first of all, यहाँ से dry fruit क्यों लेने चाहिए? Because we are into dry fruit since 50 years and we are importer of dry fruits and we have own facility where we bring raw dry fruits and process it. So हमारे वहाँ से ड्राई फ्रूट जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज 800 पर केजी आलमंड एंड दिस फॉर 1200 पर केजी आलमंड. बट अगर आप 800 वाला भी लेंगे तो क्वालिटी इज इक्वल गुड, बस द डिफरेंस इज जस्ट द साइज. सेम इन कैश्यू, this is for 1100 per kg, but if you buy this, or this is for 2000 per kg, but if you buy this is also good quality, but if you want bigger size then you can go for it. Same in पिस्ता भी हमारे पास बहुत अलग अलग क्वालिटी के हैं. Same with black resin. See, we have a bigger size in this and also more bigger size in this. So it depends upon what quality you want. So we keep every quality and hamper में भी हम यही क्वालिटी जो आपको दिख रही है वही डालते हैं. तो आपका क्वालिटी कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन रहता है. एंड वी ऑल्सो डील इनटू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सोटिक नट्स.
दिवाली में ऐसा होता है कि सबको स्वीट्स तो चाहिए, बट पीपल आर ऑल्सो हेल्थ कॉन्शियस पोस्ट कोविड अ लॉट. सो जैसे हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है ये शुगर फ्री खजूर बाइट. ये हमारा 4 साल से प्रीमियम चीज़ चल रहा है. वी शिप इट टू बॉम्बे, वी शिप इट टू इंदौर, वी शिप इट टू मैनी अदर सिटीज़ एज वेल. एंड एक बार आप ये लेके जाओगे तो यू आर 100% योर कस्टमर और एनी ऑफ द पर्सन इज गोइंग टू कम बैक टू आस्क यू कि ये आपने कहाँ से लिया. इस बार हमने ये वेरिएंट निकाला है. वी हैव सीड्स और ये एब्सोल्युटली शुगर फ्री आएगा. इसमें सीड्स के साथ दूसरे ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी मिक्स हैं और प्लस ये अंजीर वाला भी एक हमने इस बार इंट्रोड्यूस किया है ऑन कस्टमर्स डिमांड. दीज आर ऑल प्रीमियम स्पाइसेस. इलायची हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे ये लौंग है, ये लविंग है, फिर ये सारे टाइप के मिल्क पाउडर, चाय मसाला, वो सब भी वी कीप एंड दीज आर एब्सोल्युटली होम मेड.
સી મુખવાસમાં આપણી જોડે 125 પ્લસ વેરાયટી છે. જેમ કે બેઝિક તમે જોઈ શકો છો, જે આપણા બધા ઘરે કન્ઝ્યુમ કરતા હોઈશું. ધીસ ઇઝ તલ ગોટલી, જેમાં ગોટલી આવશે. એટલે આ બધા આપણા ઘરે કન્ઝ્યુમ કરતા હોઈશું. અને ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ વેરાયટી ઇન સ્વીટ ઓલ્સો, વી હેવ ઓલ્સો ધીસ વેરાયટી. સો મુખવાસમાં આપણી જોડે બધી જ ટાઈપની વેરાયટી હશે. એન્ડ આજકાલ બધા હેલ્થ કોન્શિયસ હોય તો જો અમારી જોડે મિક્સ સીડ્સ પણ છે. અને સીડ્સમાં ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ સિંગલ કે કોઈ તમે સિંગલ સીડ્સ જોઈએ એ પણ મળી જશે તમને. અને બીજી જે ડીહાઇડ્રેટ ફ્રૂટ્સ હોય છે, જેમાં શુગર નથી હોતું, એ પણ તમને અહીંયા મળી શકશે. જેમાં ડિફરન્ટ વેરાયટી છે. और તમને એક જ ટેસ્ટ કરવું હોય તો યુ કેન ગો ફॉर these are mixed berries.
सो हमारे पास लोग आते हैं कि हमें ड्राई फ्रूट्स के साथ गोरमे आइटम्स भी चाहिए. सो वी डू नॉट मिस ऑन दैट बिकॉज वी हैव एवरी सेक्शन दैट कवर्स दीज ग्रीन टीज, प्रोटीन बार्स, पीनट्स. Then we have all the sections of cookies, we have beverages, we have like special ghee roasted khakra also to put in your hampers. But otherwise you can consume it daily. Then we have snacks, we have coffees, we have all sorts of chocolates and imported chocolates to curate your hamper and consume it otherwise.